Karnataka PG CET 2025 Round 1 Final Seat Allotment released. Check results, important dates. MCD launches outreach drives to boost school enrollment. New therapy service for children with disabilities in Delhi. Schools in Jammu will be closed on October 6 to 7 amid heavy rainfall alert. AP Inter Board Date Sheet 2026 released. Exams begin on February 23. GATE 2026 registration closes today. Apply now. The Karnataka Examination Authority has announced the PGCET 2025 Round 1 Finale Seat Allotment results for MBA, MCA, MTech and Master of Architecture courses at the official website. Alongside the results, final cutoff ranks have been released. Allotted candidates must select one of the 4 choices by October 7 or the seat will be cancelled. Choice 1 and 2 candidates must pay for fees by October 8th. Choice 1 candidates must report with the original documents by October 9. 5:30 p.m. is the final time. Unallotted candidates should log in during round 2 to confirm participation. The round 2 schedule will be announced soon. Candidates can check results by logging into the official portal using their credentials. Visit the KEA website for full details. The Municipal Corporation of Delhi MCD is launching an outreach drive to increase enrollment in its school by at least 1 lakh students, building on the current count of 6.5 lakhs. Starting this Saturday, 2 teachers per school will visit local neighborhoods to encourage admissions, highlighting benefits like free meals, uniform and stationery. A new Nigam award will be awarded to teachers to boost enrollment. Separately, Delhi government schools will now offer expanded therapy services including physiotherapy, occupational and speech therapy and psychological counseling through 24 resource centers, 10 out of which were recently launched under the Seva Pakshwada campaign. These centers open 6 days in a week, aim to support 12,500 plus children with disabilities. All government and private schools in Jammu division will remain closed on October 6 and 7 following a 48-hour heavy rainfall warning issued by the India Meteorological Department. The precautionary measure aims to ensure the safety of students and staff as continuous downpours may lead to waterlogging, flash floods and landslides in the vulnerable areas. Authorities have advised residents to avoid unnecessary travel, especially in low-lying and hilly regions. Disaster management teams are on the standby to handle emergencies. Academic activities are expected to resume after the situation review. The administration urges the public to stay alert and follow the official update. The Andhra Pradesh Board of Intermediate Education has officially released the Andhra Pradesh Inter Board Date Sheet 2026 for both first and second year students. According to the schedule announced by BIE Secretary Dr. Narayana Bharat Gupta, the exams will be conducted from February 23 to March 24, 2026 between 9 a.m. and 12 noon. The timetable is available for download on the official website bie.ap.gov.in. The exams will begin with the second language paper 1 on February 23 followed by English paper 1 on February 25. Key subject papers in March include mathematics on March 2, biology on March 5, economics on March 7, physics on March 10, chemistry on March 17 and conclude with modern language and geography on March 24. Backlog students will follow a similar schedule with paper-specific verifications. Students are advised to report to exam centers at least 30 minutes early. Admit cards will be available online approximately 2 weeks before the exams and students are encouraged to check regularly on the official website for the updates. The GATE 2026 registration window without a late fee closes today, that is on October 6, 2025 as announced by IIT Guwahati. Applications for MTech, PhD and other postgraduate engineering programs must apply by tonight to avoid a Rs 500 late fee which applies until October 9, 2025. The exam dates are February 7, 8, 14 and 15 15, 2026 with results out on March 19, 2026. Required documents include passport size photo and signature, that is in JPEG or PNG form, valid photo ID, either Aadhaar card, passport or others, degree, provisional certificate, final year mark sheet, category certificate if applicable, with fees of rupees 1000 for females, SC/ST, ST, PWD rupees 2000 for others without late fee. Apply now at the official website.